In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an oblique crunch on one of these Swiss balls. Now, firstly, just make sure that when you're doing this, you've got a little bit of space around you because you're going to need to transition from this start position to a position where the Swiss ball is on your lower and mid back. So I'm going to show you this with the ball side onto the camera. So the first thing that I would do is I would be seated in the middle of the ball. From this position, my feet are slightly wider than hip width apart. And I'm going to start to walk my feet away and notice what the ball does. It's starting to ride up my body. When it gets into a position where it's not on my glutes and it's on my lower and mid back, I then know I'm in the right position. I'm going to bring my hips up, hands behind the head, and I've got the whole weight of my head right now in my hands. So my neck is completely relaxed. And I want you to imagine you're not only crunching up, but you're crunching up and across the body. So think of it like opposite elbow going towards opposite knee. So my right elbow right now is going towards my left knee. Bring the elbows back. Left elbow towards right knee. All the while, my neck is completely relaxed in my hands. And I'm going to repeat this for my desired amount of repetitions. When I come back, I'm always returning to that elbow flared out position. And you can see one elbow slightly comes forwards in the direction of the opposite knee whilst I'm doing the crunch. When you've done your amount of repetitions and sets that you desire, you're going to walk back into your start position, and that would be how to do the Swiss ball oblique crunch. So it's all about coming from this top position, walking away from the body with the feet slightly wider than hip width apart. You know when you're in the right position because the ball is on your lower and mid back. You then bring the hips up. From here, hands behind the head, and then you're going to crunch, but also crunch across the body as well as up. You're coming across on each repetition. When done, you're going to walk back up into your start position.